I'll show you how quick the faceplated tranny shifts here. I'm in first gear right now. I'm just rounding a corner and I'll do a couple of quicker shifts. There's some traffic around, so I won't get too crazy on it, but downshift here. So basically you take your foot off as soon as it comes out of gear, you just give it a flip and it goes right into gear. I'm letting off on the throttle. You don't even have to do that because it's quick, shifts quick enough, just out of habit. I tend to lift off, but you can peel them off without, you just do a complete power shift there, and you're not going to hang up in a gear or miss a gear. If you never miss a gear, it'll never come out of gear, unless you clutch it or you back off on the torque, on the throttle.